back finally. I have taken a bit of a break over the summer, and honestly my house has just been so chaotic with all 4 kids home, so I have not been filming as much as I intended to. But kids are back in school now and we're doing it again. Hey? We're doing it again. If you guys are new to my channel, welcome. My name is Melanie and I have 4 kids all under the age of 9. So my life is very busy and it's a lot of fun. Well, today I'm gonna take you guys along with me on a full day of eating again. You guys seemed to like that last time, and I'm gonna be sharing everything that I eat in the description below. I will create like a little document and everything will be on there. So if you guys want like a simple meal plan that already has all of the protein, I am gonna hit 150 grams of protein. And if you want to hit 150 grams of protein, this will hopefully make it easier for you to do that. Oh my goodness, look at what she's doing. Lauren. So I've already had breakfast. I'm gonna go back after this little intro and show you what I had for breakfast. And I'm just getting ready now for a workout. And I've been following an amazing program. It's an app online and I'm just trying it out. It's called FITBOD. And it's like this AI generated app, and it basically just lays everything out for you, and it makes sure that you're progressing every single day and week and so on. So you just tell it what your goals are, and then it just bam. Just a little background. For me, I don't find picking exercises a challenge. I used to be a personal trainer in my younger years. But I kind of just let that certification go once I started having kids. I know what to do when I get into the gym, but my problem is just getting distracted. So I'm finding this app is really helpful, just keeping me on track. I'm gonna try it out for this week, and I might actually purchase this program. I'm on the free trial, but I like it. I like it a lot. So I'm just gonna fire up the espresso machine. There she goes, and I'm gonna show you guys a bit of my workout, but first I'm gonna show you what I have for breakfast. So let's get started with this full day of eating.
Well, breakfast for me is usually pretty consistent, but last night I actually pre-made all of the kids' lunches for school. So I gave myself a little bit of extra time this morning and I wanted to make something special and just different. So today I'm making a mushroom and onion omelet, and I actually had leftover mushrooms and onions from dinner last night that I wanted to use up, and I just added 1 egg and filled up the egg whites until it reached the 1 cup mark on my measuring cup, and then I chopped up some fresh cherry tomatoes. I added some feta cheese, and I'm gonna toast up some Ezekiel bread. And if you haven't heard of Ezekiel bread, this bread is super healthy. It's made with sprouted grains, and I usually find it in the organic frozen section at my grocery store. It's a little bit expensive, but it's really healthy and it's lower calorie, and it's something that you can feel good about eating for breakfast in the morning. So I'm just adding a little bit of butter and also salt and pepper, of course, and I'll have a couple of strawberries as well. And of course, I'm having a cup of coffee, and I always have my coffee with a splash of whole milk.
Finished my workout. Oh boy, my arms are so sore. So I'm gonna make a post-workout shake, and I always use a whey protein isolate powder. Isolate is a bit higher in protein, so that's why I choose whey isolate. And I'm gonna use some almond milk and blueberries and a little bit of banana, and that's it. So I just wanted to talk to you guys really quick about the importance of planning ahead. If you have a specific goal or you want to hit a target amount of protein or calories or whatever it is that you're tracking, even if you can just plan like one day out of your week, just so that you have a general idea of what you should be eating and what types of foods will give you more protein. And sometimes you'll be surprised by some of the ingredients that you're eating. For instance, this morning, I typically will have 2 whole eggs and then add some egg whites on the side. But this morning, when I was inputting all of my ingredients for breakfast, I realized if I want to have the cheese in my omelet, maybe I should sacrifice an egg yolk and just add more whites. So just like little changes like that, it just helps you if you can find an app and just track all of your food so that you can kind of make some little adjustments throughout your day. I know that is a lot of work. And as a mom of 4, I do not track my food on a regular basis at all. But if you guys just want to use my meal plan today, that's why I did it. I wanted it to be simple and easy for busy people who just don't want to have to think about what they should be eating and they just want to follow a plan. So I hope that you find my meal plan helpful if you are trying to hit 150 grams of protein like me. My meal plan is attached in the description below, completely for free, just because I wanted to help somebody. So if that helps you, awesome. Okay, see you guys for lunch.
So for lunch today, I'm making a shrimp salad, and I wanted to use up some of the leftovers that I had in my fridge, so I'm kind of just throwing a bunch of random things and turning it into a salad, which is something I like to do all the time, really. I mean, you can really put anything on a salad and it's gonna taste good. So today I am just steaming up some shrimp. Shrimp is such a great, quick and easy protein. I mean, you can even buy the pre-cooked shrimp and just skip this step altogether and just thaw it out. But I had frozen shrimp that I needed to cook, so I chose that. And then I have some leftover sweet potatoes and corn on the cob, actually. So I'm putting that on my salad. And I'm using this sesame ginger nooch salad dressing, and it's really good. It's low in calories, and it just tastes really delicious. And it also paired really well with the shrimp today. And I also squeezed a little bit of fresh lemon juice on top and added some hemp hearts and some chickpeas and just lots of yummy things.
Yummy, yummy. And this is so yummy. Too.
It is already time for dinner. Oh my goodness, I cannot believe how fast the days are going by now that the kids are in school. It's just crazy. So tonight for dinner, I wanted to make something that was just quick and easy and something that the kids love. So I made tacos, and I already had some lean ground beef in the fridge. I love tacos because they're just easy to whip together, and it only takes a few minutes and everybody loves them. So I have some onions and bell peppers I'm gonna chop up here, and also some garlic. And while everything's cooking, I thought I'd just share a little bit more about myself so you guys can get to know me a little bit more. As a little girl, I was actually known as the famous kid in our small town, only because I had the opportunity to be in some film and television productions, and also my voice was on cartoons for a little while as well. So it was pretty cool because not many people can say that they had the opportunity to be in a movie or to watch themselves on TV, but it was always a dream of mine to do that. But once I got into my teenage years, it just really slowed down for me, and obviously it's a pretty hard industry to make it in. So I kind of pursued other passions of mine for a little while, which was health and fitness. I became a certified personal trainer for a little while, and then once I got married and started having kids, I really wanted to stay home with them and just focus all of my attention and my heart on my family. So that's what I'm doing now. And I'm loving YouTube because it's kind of like an outlet for me where I can be creative still and still use that passion that is still in me for acting. Although I'm not acting, this is my real life, obviously, but I'm able to still be creative and do this in my own home, which is pretty special. So thanks for watching. Okay, back to dinner. So I've weighed out 100 grams of ground beef, and then the toppings, I just put a little bit of everything. So this was dinner tonight. and I'm finishing off my day of eating with an evening snack. I have never been one of those people who could stop eating after like 6 or 7 o'clock at night. I always have to have a snack before I go to bed. Otherwise, I'm going to be lying in my bed just dreaming about food, and I will likely get up at like 1 in the morning and have myself a bowl of cereal or something else. So I like to have Greek yogurt before bed, and I added some keto granola, which is low in carb, or it might even be 0 carb. And then I'm adding some berries and nuts, and this is just the perfect bedtime snack for me. Well, we've hit 150 grams of protein, actually a little bit over, and I really hope that you guys like today's video. Please hit the like and subscribe button so that you don't miss another video, and I'll see you guys again soon. Bye for now.